Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the MS Excel video series. So in this class, we are going to discuss about some basic formulas which are going to be very useful for you guys. So first of all, I'm going to write the sentence here like smart. After writing this, as you can see, I'm going to click here and now I'm going to write the is equal symbol. And after that, I'm going to write the upper here. Basically upper is a formula which is used for converting a text into uppercase. So I'm going to click on this text. So after that, I'm going to close the bracket and then press enter. As you can see, whole smart is converted into a uppercase. Now if you want to change into a lower, you can also do that. You have to click on the lower. You have to write the lower here. As you can see, I have written, and now you have to press the enter. After pressing the enter, as you can see, the whole text is converted into a lowercase. So in this case, upper is basically used for converting into uppercase and the lower is used for converting into lowercase. Now if you want that the first letter of the word should be capital, so you have to write the proper here. The proper is used for that case. So I'm going to write the proper. As you can see, proper. Now you have to press the enter. Now as you can see, it is converted into a proper case. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can convert your text into lower, proper or uppercase. So these are the easy formulas. You guys can use them as per your need. So see you guys in the next video.